Welcome back to Harburn Double O. I've had a bit of time this week, not planned by any means, but there you are. I've started working on the aspect signals as asked by one of my viewers to show them how it's done. I haven't quite mastered it yet, but I'll show you what progress I've made so far. I'm going to start off with a 3 aspect signal and eventually move on to the 4 aspect signal here. All of which, if you wish, can download from my Tinkercad account, which I'll leave a link down below as well. So over to the computer and I'll show you what progress I've made so far. So this is the designs in Tinkercad, which you can download free of charge. I've done the 2 head, the 3 head and the 4 head as well. So that's the designs in Tinkercad, and as it says, I'll leave a link down below so you can download it. So now let's go over to Rockrail and see what progress I made in the Rockrail. So I've done a relatively simple design in Rockrail to show you the signal. This is the signal here, which is wired into my DCC Next. So let's look at the properties of this signal first. So go to Properties, and in the general there, all it's called is SG1. And if I go to Interface, you'll see the addresses in the port are all blank as the default, and it is selected default for it. In the wiring, this is where I put the address in. So it's a LED and I put the address in the port there. So the green is number 40, the yellow is number 41 and the red is number 42. You would put in whatever your address was for your command station in here. So OK that. So if I click on the signal, I'll move up or down and it'll tell the state to change. So I'll put it to green. When the locomotive is in block 1, the LED will be red, so nothing can come through. When it goes from block 1 to block 2, the LED will go to yellow. And when it goes from block 2 to block 3, it will free up this one here, so therefore the light will be green. So how do I do this? I use commands. So go to routes, your tables, routes. So I'll bring it up a little touch so you can see it a bit better. So block 1 and to commands, I want it to be red. So I've just select that one there, you add it in and you select what colour you want it to be and press apply. If I go to block 2 to block 3 and commands, I want it to be yellow. So same again, I just added it in and gave the command yellow and apply. If I go to block 3 to 4, commands, we want it to be green, and from block 4 to block 1 I want it to be green, so therefore it's set to green as well. Let's switch it on and have a look to see how it performs. I'll put the camera on the other side there and try it. So that's the locomotive in block 4 there now. I'm going to bring it around to block 1. I've got a slight glitch, as in when I start moving the locomotive this goes to yellow for some reason. I don't know why. The command is set to green, but on the second loop it will go to the correct orientation. So let's start off the locomotive, big loop, and see how it goes. It goes to yellow. I go to block 1. It should go to red. There's a slight timing error with the LED or the position of it. So it goes to red. I'll go to yellow with block 2, block 3 I'll go to green. Now it's block 4, it stays in green this time in the second lap. And once again, block 2 will be yellow, block 3 shall be green. I'll stop it there. In the coming videos I shall add in the 4 aspect head as well. I'll move the 3 aspect head up to here and I'll put the 4 aspect in this point here. So that's us for now folks, thanks for watching, bye.